We are back in South Florida, and we have
Angel.
Connor.
What type of a car person are you?
I have an off-road vehicle, actually.
There we go, off-roader.
Sports cars.
Two different types of wear and tear, right?
Yeah.
So let's talk a little bit about something. So a time that you've broken down.
Ooh, it is scary, especially if I'm driving by myself. I'm just like, oh, who am I supposed to call? What am I supposed to do? And how am I going to fix this?
What if I were to tell you that there's a company out there that can help you with that? But you don't have to worry about the cost of the repairs, right?
Yeah.
Would you call them right now if you could?
My car was broken, yeah.
Well, you got to call before. That's
Oh,
the thing.
before your car's broken.
You don't want to like wait until it's
That's
broken
true.
down. With a peace of mind before it breaks down.
That's how he thinks.
You heard it first, right here. Call CarShield before your car.
Before. I've learned my lesson. Call CarShield before your car breaks down.
There we have it, guys.
Before.